Okay guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together just for us to know the direction of the market before going into it. And if you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you're getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. And of course guys, these are the assets I will be checking out, and everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve. Okay guys, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay, so guys, this is boom 1000. I'm on 5-minute time frame, and of course this started an uptrend right from this support zone, and you can see we only got the uptrend right from the support zone, and it has been more of an uptrend than a downtrend. That is the power of the trading tool. You can see the yellow flag, and of course more of the blue arrows than the red arrows. Okay, we only have one red arrow around here. Okay, so it was more of an uptrend than a downtrend. Okay, so it has been buying since then. Although it has gotten to this resistance zone, it has not been able to break out above it, so it has been playing around this region for a while. Once it breaks out below this, then it's going to go fully into a downtrend, but if it does not, it will keep on buying. So at the moment it is still buying, even though this might not be for a very long time. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out together. Still on 5-minute time frame. Okay, this started an uptrend from here but came to an end at this resistance zone, so it started selling from there, but it was unable to break out from this support zone, so it had a major pullback around here, and it's still within the pullback region. If it's unable to go further from here, it will try out the support zone again to see if it's going to break out from there. Once it breaks out from there, then it's going to sell more till it gets to this particular region. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so this is also buying at the moment due to the pullback, and of course if it's unable to break out above the resistance zone, the next resistance zone, which is this, it should start selling. Okay, so next asset is going to be crash 1000. Crash 1000 has been more of an uptrend than a downtrend, even though there are it was having a big dip from the uptrend. That is a big pullback from the uptrend. You can see this and also see this. Okay, but it is more of an uptrend than a downtrend, and it is also approaching a resistance zone at this point. Okay, if it breaks out above it, it will keep on buying, but if it does not, it's going to go back into a downtrend. Okay, so if you're still in the markets, kindly close your trade right now, or you lock up 80% of your profit right now. So this is very, very important. Okay, because it is already approaching a major resistance zone. Okay, so we are not sure if it will break out above it. If it breaks out above it, it will keep on buying. If it does not, it will go back on a downtrend. Okay, so it is better you secure your profit right now. Okay, so guys, this is crash 500. This had been on downtrend for a very long time, and it got to this support zone, wasn't able to break out from there, so it started a buy trend from there, and it's still going to go for a very long time. So this is going to be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Let's check out the last asset, which is going to be volatility 75. This is volatility 75, and of course right from this support zone, it started an uptrend and it has been buying since then. Okay, broke out from this particular resistance zone and also broke out from here, so it has gotten to this region. Okay, if it's unable to break out from there, then it should go fully into a downtrend, but wait for the downtrend signal and the sell signal before you follow up with it. So for now, this is still buying, even though it might not be for a very long time. Okay, so this is very, very important. So guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the strategies shared in my videos before trying them out on your real account. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.